every new invention nowadays, they also have a mini version for kids too. Ever since the creation of drones, it has definitely been like eye candy to children. So, they also have their own mini version of drones. Let's take a look at some of the best mini drones and quadcopters for kids that are worth checking out. A top mini drone A11 for kids. This mini drone for kids comes with a propeller protection design specifically to keep your child safe from cuts and your furniture scratch-free. It's easy to operate, and with just a simple throw atop mini drone A11 can fly right away. Its package includes one USB charging cable, one instruction manual, one propeller screwdriver, 4 extra propellers, 1 drone and 3 drone batteries, with one included. It's manufactured by Guangdong, a Top Technology Co. Limited, and it weighs about 8.9 ounces. Lithium polymer is its battery cell composition, and it's very convenient to carry around for kids because it's light and small. Price starts at $35.99. AirHog's Hyperstunt Drone. AirHog's Hyperstunt Drone comes with a remote control and it weighs 8.8 ounces. It's made for kids from the age of 8 to 10 years old. It has both beginner and advanced modes, making it easier to operate. This micro drone can withstand all kinds of bumps, crashes, and smashes. It's manufactured by Spin Master, and its stunt button enables it to do backflips, barrel rolls, front flips, and many more. Its package includes one user instruction guide, one hyperstunt drone, 4 spare rotors, one removable crash frame, one USB charging cable, and it also requires 2 AAA batteries that are not included. Price starts at $27. Force One Scoot XL hand-operated drone for kids. This is an indoor hand-operated drone for kids from the age of 8 years old and above. It's manufactured by Force One and it was released on June 15, 2021. It weighs about 7.4 ounces and its battery cell composition is lithium polymer. It charges for 80 minutes and flies for about 6 minutes. For it to charge faster, use a USB charger port with a 52-volt 2-ampere output current. It comes with a bouncy UFO drone shell that protects it from crashes. Force One Scoot XL hand-operated drone flies around using motion sensors and a 1-key button remote for launching and landing. Price starts at $37.99. Parrot Mambo Fly. This mini drone is made from thermoplastic rubber. It weighs about 0.14 ounces and it's manufactured by Parrot. It also requires one lithium polymer that comes included, and its package consists of 1 battery, 1 user guide, and 1 Parrot Mambo. It's compatible with both Android and iOS with sizes from 4.5 inches. Parrot Mambo Fly comes with an interface that is user-friendly, and it can take off from your hand and also perform some aerial stunts such as flips and barrel rolls. It is proven to be the most stable mini drone on the market, all because of its autopilot. Price starts at $139.58. DJI Trello Mini Drone Quad-Copter UAV for kids. This mini drone quadcopter makes it possible for you to record short videos that you can easily share on your smartphone and social media. It's manufactured by DJI and it weighs about 8.1 ounces. It captures video resolution of HD 720p, and because of its 2 antennas, video transmission is very stable. It comes with a high-quality image processor for best video and photos. Its users can easily learn about drones while also learning about coding at the same time. Its bounce mode enables it to automatically fly up and down from your hand. It can fly for a maximum time of 13 minutes. Price starts at $99. There are many other drones and quadcopters out there, but today we looked at the best ones that have great features, beginner-friendly, and can withstand about anything and are safe for kids. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more fun videos like this.